Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to make a building system in Roblox Studio. To make a building system in Roblox Studio, you just have to follow the simple steps. Now, first thing first, you wanna go ahead and open up or launch the Roblox Studio. Then you wanna go ahead and click on the gear icon and go to replicate storage. As you click on it, you should be able to find this option where you could see block. Click on that. As you click on block, once again you could find a block. Now go ahead and click on that as well. Now moving on, you want to go ahead and select the place, and when you select the place, go ahead and make sure to select to place block event. As you do that, it's going to take you to the server storage. Here as well, do the same thing as I'm doing. Now go ahead and click on starter pack, and once you do that, you have to go ahead and click on place block after you've actually done it. So it's going to show you this sort of code. Here you want to go to the CFrame, and once you go to CFrame, make sure to make changes something like this in the possession. And then if you want to play it, you could go ahead and play the play icon from the home page, and you should be able to see the block. This is how you could build storage. So this is the way you could build the system in Roblox Studio. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.